Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on Nissan Altima. Begin by gathering tools and safety gear, then remove the interior door panel carefully using a trim tool and Phillips screwdriver. Locate the handle linkage and fasteners behind the panel, note their positions, and detach clips gently. Inspect the handle and latch for broken parts, replace the handle, reattach linkage, and test smooth operation before reassembling the door panel. Remove the door panel with patience and clear workspace to keep screws organized. Pry off trim pieces gently and remove hidden screws near the armrest and handle. Use a panel removal tool to pop clips free, starting at the bottom and moving upward to prevent cracking. Lift the panel away, then carefully disconnect electrical connectors for switches. Set the panel aside on a padded surface to avoid damage while you access the handle assembly. After panel removal, examine the handle mechanism and linkage for wear or broken clips, then remove the fasteners holding the handle. Detach the metal linkage rod by releasing the retaining clip and compare the old handle to the new part. Install the replacement handle, reconnect the linkage and clip securely, and apply a small amount of grease to pivot points. Reinstall the door panel, test the lock and handle operation from both sides, and adjust if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.